Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can replace images and photos in your interface designs on Figma. So let us get started. It is very simple, guys. Head over to Figma, access your interface app or interface website project, and what you want to do after that, guys, is simply left click into the given image or photo you would like to replace. So let me go with that title image here. So I would like to replace it, but keep the same aspect ratio and resolution as you can see in that same position. So what you want to do is left click into it, and that is going to open up that panel here on the right hand side. So here under fill, simply click into image. After that, this menu here to the left will pop up. So here you may select, for example, upload from computer to upload or to use a photo or image from your device, or use one from the libraries if you have already uploaded a couple of images and photos to your library. So let me go one from my device, from my computer. Click into upload from computer, locate the given file in JPEG or PNG on your device. After that, open it, wait for a brief moment, and after that, there you go. As you can see, the photo will replace the previous photo or image. So now you may, for example, left click into it, one of its edges, and resize it that way, for example, to find a custom resolution, just like that. So yeah, you can move it around if you like and customize it according to your own imagination and taste. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.